Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learning English is Easy. I'm Anna, and today I'm feeling relaxed, comfortable, and ready for a holiday. Why? Because our theme today is at the hotel.
And I'm Tom. Hi, everyone. Yes, today we're checking in, checking out, asking questions, making requests, and trying not to lose our room keys. Everything you need for a simple hotel conversation in English.
But before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like this episode, and share it with your friends who want to improve their English. Your support really helps us grow this channel.
And remember, your effort will pay off. Every time you listen, you understand a little more. Every time you speak, you become more confident. Step by step, your English gets stronger.
So, today we're going to walk through different hotel situations, from when you arrive to when you leave. And we'll keep all the English simple, clear, and beginner-friendly.
Perfect. So imagine the scene. You arrive at a hotel after a long trip. Maybe you're tired. Maybe you're hungry. Maybe your hair looks crazy from the wind.
That's okay. Hotel staff see everything. Nothing surprises them anymore.
You walk to the reception desk. The receptionist usually starts with, "Hello, how can I help you?"
And you can answer, "Hello, I have a reservation." Or, "Hi, I booked a room."
Reservation and booked a room mean the same thing. You can also say, "I have a booking." All very easy.
Then the receptionist will ask for your name. You can say, "My name is Ana Garcia," or "It's under the name Ana Garcia."
Yes, that phrase is very useful. It's under the name, or the reservation is under.
After that, they might ask for your passport or ID. They might say, "Can I see your passport, please?"
And you answer, "Sure, here you go."
Easy, polite, simple.
Then the receptionist might ask, "How many nights?"
And you can say 2 nights, 1 night, 5 nights, whatever your stay is.
Then comes a classic sentence. Check-in is at 2 p.m.
If it's earlier, you can ask, "Is early check-in possible?"
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
You can also ask, "What time is check-out?"
Usually it's around 11 a.m., but it depends on the hotel.
After check-in, they will give you your key or your key card.
And they will say something like, "Your room is on the second floor," or "Your room is number 204.
You can respond, "Thank you." Very important.
Now let's practice a full check-in dialogue so our listeners can repeat it. I'll be the receptionist. "Hello, how can I help you?"
"Hi, I have a reservation."
"What's your name?"
Ana Garcia. It's under the name Garcia.
"Great. Can I see your passport?"
Sure, here you go.
"Thank you." You're staying 2 nights, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Checkout is at 11 a.m. Your room is on the 3rd floor. Here is your key card.
Thank you.
Very easy.
Very.
Yes. And once you're in the room, you might need extra things.
Yes, like towels, pillows, soap, water, or Wi-Fi. Let's talk about simple requests. You can say, "Could I have an extra towel, please?"
Or, "I need another pillow." Or, "Do you have shampoo?"
If you want something delivered to your room, you can say, "Could you bring it to my room?"
For example, "Could you bring more water to my room?" Or, "Could you send someone to fix the air conditioning?"
Air conditioning is a popular topic in hotels. Sometimes it's too cold, sometimes it's too hot.
Very true. In that case, you can say, the air conditioning is not working, or it's too cold in my room, or it's too hot in my room.
Simple sentences that help a lot.
Now let's talk about Wi-Fi. This is probably the most important sentence in modern hotel life. What is the Wi-Fi password?
Yes, essential for survival. You can also ask, is Wi-Fi free? Or does the hotel have Wi-Fi?
If the signal is weak, you can say, the Wi-Fi is not working, or the connection is slow.
Now let's talk about breakfast. 2 key questions: is breakfast included? And what time is breakfast?
And maybe, where is the breakfast room?
Or is breakfast buffet style?
Next, the elevator. If you want directions, you can ask, where is the elevator? Or where are the stairs?
Great for beginners and very polite.
Now, imagine you want to ask about local places. You can say, is there a supermarket near here? Or, where can I find a restaurant?
Or how do I get to the beach?
The receptionist is usually happy to help with directions.
Let's practice a conversation asking about restaurants.
Excuse me, is there a good restaurant near here?
Yes, there's one just around the corner.
Great, thank you.
Easy.
Now let's talk about problems. Sometimes hotels have small problems. For example, your key card doesn't work.
Yes, maybe you put it next to your phone. That sometimes deletes the card.
In that case, you go to reception and say, my key card doesn't work, or my key card stopped working.
Or I can't open my door.
If the shower isn't working, you can say, the shower is not working, or there's no hot water.
If the room is noisy, you can say, my room is very noisy. Is it possible to change rooms?
Simple, polite, clear.
And usually the hotel will help.
Now let's talk about room service. If the hotel has room service, you can say, I would like to order room service, or can I see the room service menu?
For cleaning, you can say, could you clean my room, please? Or could I have fresh towels?
Very important vocabulary.
Now, let's talk about check out. When you leave the hotel, the receptionist usually asks, how was your stay?
And you can say, it was great, thank you, or very comfortable, or everything was good.
If you had a problem, you can say, it was good, but the Wi-Fi was slow, or it was good, but my room was noisy.
They may also ask, did you use the minibar?
The minibar is the small fridge in your room with very expensive drinks.
Yes, the famous $8 water bottle.
At checkout, you can say, here is my keycard, or I would like to check out.
The receptionist might ask, do you need a taxi?
And you can answer, yes, please, or no, thank you.
Let's practice a checkout conversation. Good morning. Are you checking out?
Yes, I would like to check out.
How was your stay?
Very nice, thank you.
Did you use the minibar?
No, I didn't.
Great. Here's your receipt.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Now let's do a full role play: arrival, checking in, asking questions, leaving. This helps beginners understand the flow of a typical hotel conversation. I'll start. Hello, I have a reservation.
What's your name?
Tom Richards.
Great. You're staying 3 nights. Can I see your passport?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Your room is number 312 on the 3rd floor.
Thank you. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m.
Perfect. What's the Wi-Fi password?
It's written on the card in your key folder,
Great. And where is the elevator?
just behind you.
Thank you very much.
Very natural. Very simple.
Now let's add a small hotel problem. Excuse me, the air conditioning is not working.
I'm sorry. We can send someone to fix it.
Thank you.
Beginners absolutely can do this. You don't need advanced grammar, just basic sentences.
Now let's give our listeners useful hotel vocabulary.
Reservation,
Reception,
check in,
check out,
room key,
elevator,
stairs,
towels,
shampoo,
Wi-Fi,
breakfast,
minibar,
booking,
room service,
housekeeping.
all essential words.
Now let's talk about being polite, because politeness is very important in hotel English.
Yes, words like please, thank you, excuse me, could I, may I, is it possible, all make your English sound friendly.
For example, could I have another towel? Sounds much nicer than give me towel.
Very, very different.
You don't need perfect sentences, just polite ones.
Now let's practice more conversations. Excuse me, where is the pool?
The pool is on the second floor.
Thank you.
Another one. Is there a gym in the hotel?
Yes, the gym is open 24 hours. Another example. Could I have more pillows?
Of course. We will bring them to your room.
Another. Is late checkout possible?
Let me check. Yes, you can check out at 1 p.m.
These mini conversations help so much with fluency.
Yes, our listeners can practice them out loud.
Now, let's give them easy sentences for traveling. I'm staying at this hotel.
I have a reservation for 2 nights.
I need directions to my room.
Is there parking?
Do you have a map of the city?
Can you call a taxi for me?
All beginner-friendly.
And remember, your English doesn't have to be perfect. Hotel staff are used to guests from all over the world. They will understand you.
Yes, communication is more important than perfect grammar.
And the more you practice these simple sentences, the more natural they feel.
And the more natural they feel, the more confident you become.
And your confidence will open doors, not only hotel doors, but life doors.
Beautifully said.
Thank you.
So, listeners, next time you go to a hotel, try 1 or 2 sentences from today's episode.
Even just saying, I have a reservation, or what time is breakfast, is a great start.
And the next time, you can add more sentences.
Little by little, your English grows.
Before we end, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode.
And tell us in the comments, have you stayed in a hotel before? Did you speak English?
We love reading your comments.
Thank you for listening today.
Keep practicing
Keep learning.
and keep believing in yourself.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.